forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss problem based on sum of n terms of an AP. Question number 1. Find the sum of following AP. minus 37, minus 33, minus 29, up to 12 terms. So what is given? First term is given. First term equal to minus 37. Common difference is equal to second term minus first term. Simplify. So minus 33 plus 37 is equal to 4. N is equal to 12 and Sn equal to question mark. अब now write formula for sum of n terms. Sum of n terms equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into common difference d. Now we have to find sum of 12 terms. So put n equal to 12. A equal to minus 37. So write in bracket because negative number. Plus n minus 1, 12 minus 1 and common difference d. D is 4. Now simplify. 12 upon 2, 6. Minus 37 to ja, minus 74. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 into 4, 44. Minus 74 plus 44, minus 30. And minus 30 into 6, minus 180. Next problem. In an AP, first term is 5, common difference is 3, nth term is 50, find n and sum of n terms. So first write all the information. First term equal to 5, common difference equal to 3. Nth term equal to 50. Now write formula for nth term and with the help of this formula find the value of n. An is equal to 50, a is equal to 5, n we have to find or d common difference 3. Simplify. 50 minus 5, 45 equal to n minus 1 into 3. Dividing both sides by 3. 45 upon 3, 15 and this upon 3, n minus 1. Send one dead side. So n is equal to 16. Now find sum of n term. N term is 16 term. Since Sn is equal to sum of n terms, formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Next step, n by 2, 16 upon 2, 2 into 5 plus 16 minus 1 into common difference d, 3. 16 upon 2, 8. 2 5 ja 10 plus 15 minus 16 minus 1, 15. 15 into 3, 45. So 8 into 45 plus 10, 55. 8 5 ja 40, carry 4, 40 or 4, 44. So sum is 440. Next problem. In an AP, third term is 15. Sum of 10 term is 125. Find common difference and 10th term. So first write third term A3 equal to 15. Third term means A plus 2D is equal to 15. Give equation number 1. Sum of 10 term is 120. First write formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. अब now replace n by 10. So S10 is equal to 10 by 2 2a plus 10 minus 1 into d. Next step, S10 sum of 10 term is 125. 2 से 10 कैंसिल कर दो 5 टाइम्स 2a plus 9d. Now cancel 5 1 जा 5, 25 times जा 125. So 25 equal to 2a plus 9d. Now rearrange 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Equation number 2. From these two equations find value of a and d. So first multiply equation 1 by 2. So we get 2a plus 4d is equal to 30. Give equation number 3. अब now subtract equation 3 from 2. डायरेक्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें अलग से लिखने के बजाय यहीं पे माइनस 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 कैंसिल 90 माइनस 4d 5d इक्वल टू माइनस 5. So d equal to minus 1. Now putting d equal to minus 1 in equation number 1. So therefore a plus 2 in place of d write minus 1 equal to 15. So a minus 2 equal to 15. So a equal to 17. A10 is equal to a plus 9d. A is equal to 17 and d equal to minus 1. So 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Next problem. In an AP, last term is equal to 28. Sum of n terms equal to 144. Sometimes सिर्फ ऐसे लिखा हुआ मिलेगा आपको एग्जाम में, तो परेशान नहीं होना, मतलब ऐसे नहीं गिवन है अकॉर्डिंग टू 10th क्लास. And there are total 9 terms. So first write all the information. Last term equal to 28. Sum of n terms equal to 144. Number of terms n equal to 9. Now apply formula. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into there are two formula. Which formula we have to use? This a plus l, because last term is given in this question. It depend on problems. Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into t. There are two formulas. So which formula we will use? This one. Sum of n terms 144. N by 2 9 by 2. A we have to find, and L last term 28. Now simplify, cross multiply. 2 into this, 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2 equal to 9, a plus 28. Now cancel, 9 1 ja 9, 9 3 ja 27, 9 2 ja 28. So 32 equal to a plus 28. Send 28 that side. 32 minus 28 4. So value of a is 4. Next problem. How many terms of the AP 9 17 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636? So first write a. First term is equal to 9. Common difference d equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. Sn is equal to 636. अब now write formula sum of n terms equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now substitute all the values. 636 n by 2 as it is 2a 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 as it is, or common difference d equal to 8. 636 is equal to n and divided by 2. So 9 plus n minus 1 into 4. Divide first term by 2 and then this term by 2. अब now simplify. 636 equal to n 9 plus 4n minus 4. 636 equal to n 4n plus 5. Open the bracket. 4n square plus 5n. Next step, send that side. So 0 equal to 4n square plus 5n minus 636. Now rearrange. 4n square plus 5n minus 636. अब इसके बाद हमेशा बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम आती है स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म. यू कैन यूज क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला आंसर, लेकिन वहाँ पे फिर वो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर नहीं मालूम होगा और कैलकुलेशन में दिक्कत आएगी. सो बेटर ऑप्शन इज स्प्लिटिंग मिडिल टर्म. टेल मी टू नंबर्स हुज सम इज 5. Sum is 5 and product equal to this into this. 4 into this means minus 4 into 636. 4 के फैक्टर्स आपको पहले से ही मालूम है. 2 into 2, just find factor of 636. 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2 8 जा 2 1 जा 2, 2 5 जा 2 9 जा 159. 3 5 जा 15, 3 3 जा 53 इज प्राइम नंबर. सो आफ्टर दिस हम उसको डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते हैं, मतलब इन्हीं में से आपको मिलने चाहिए. 53 इंटू दिस इंटू दिस इंटू दिस इंटू 4 इक्वल टू दिस इंटू दिस. अब 53 इज प्राइम नंबर. अब नाउ प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रिमेनिंग टर्म्स. 3 2 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12 एंड 12 4 जा 48. 53 एंड 48 दोनों का डिफरेंस कितना है? 5 है. मीन्स वन ऑफ द नंबर इज 53 एंड अदर नंबर इज 48. सो नेक्स्ट स्टेप, 4n स्क्वायर इन प्लेस ऑफ 5n. We can write 53n minus 48n minus 636 equal to 0. Sum is 5 and product is this into this. अब now simplify. What is common between these two terms? Only n common. So we get 4n plus 53. Again, what is common between these two? माइनस 48 एंड 636. अभी हमने 636 फैक्टर्स किए थे और उसको डिवाइड अपन किससे कर रहे हैं? 48 से. तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? 53. सो 48 कॉमन, माइनस 48 कॉमन, सॉरी 4 2 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16 दे जा 48 कॉमन ले लिया अपन ने. फोर्टी कॉमन नहीं आएगा. 3 2 जा 6 2 जा ओनली 12 कॉमन आ रहा है. तो माइनस 12, 12 4 जा, और अकॉर्डिंग टू इस ब्रैकेट भी अपन निकाल सकते हैं, हमको चेक करना चाहिए हमेशा. सो 12 कॉमन लिया कितना आएगा? 4n प्लस 53 इज इक्वल टू 0. 4n प्लस 53 कॉमन, सो वी गेट n माइनस 12 इज इक्वल टू 0. Next step, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. So 4n plus 53 equal to 0 or n minus 12 equal to 0. So n equal to minus 53 upon 4, which is rejected because number of terms is positive integer, or n equal to 12. In next video We will take more question based on sum of n terms of an AP. Thank you. Have a nice day.